So iKamper did announce they were going to release a new inflatable mattress for their iKamper setup for more extreme sleeping comfort. But we opted for the Exped because we had a 20% off coupon at REI, and I also had some cash back. So it was a no-brainer to get this. As far as the price difference, it was pretty close as well. And because Exped has been around for a long time and it has really great reviews, I went ahead and did the Exped version instead. So this is the original iKamper mattress. As you can see, the size difference with the new Megamat Duo that we're going to be replacing with is quite significant. Now, the reason why we went with the Megamat Duo, I heard great things about this. It's been around for quite a while. It's only 9 pounds and actually inflates up to 4 inches thick. The original mattress here, it's about 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick at the very most. My wife is a side sleeper, so it's really important that I make the most out of her sleep and that she gets the best quality sleep possible. So that's why after a lot of reviews, we're gonna go with the Megamat Duo. This also fits perfectly on top of the iKamper platform. And again, we're only replacing one side because the dog usually sleeps on the other side of the mattress, so we're not gonna have to replace the single side first. So we're gonna give this one a try and see how we like it. Currently, I have the mattress already in there. As you can see, there's a little bit of the gap right here. There's a lot of pressure on the hinges because I keep my sleeping bag in there, and I also keep all the mattresses and all the bed sheets in there. I mean, that's what the iKamper is known for, to keep all your bedding inside. You know, I felt like with the mattress in there, one of the things that were a sticking point for me is that I'm not able to keep my pillows in there. So I'm hoping that with the new addition of the inflatable mattress, I'm able to keep more of my bedding inside and also not put as much stress on the hinges as you can see right here. So this is before I add in the Exped mattress. Again, we keep both mattresses stacked up right here so that the iKamper can close with the mattresses in there. What we're gonna be doing is to replace the bottom, which is the larger mattress, with the Exped. And that will not only allow us to hold more things in here, but it will also be a lot more comfortable of a sleep. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the footprint. So I just have this laid out right here. Again, this is the extra large and wide version of the Exped mat, which I'll drop a link below. And as you can see, it fits perfectly on the iKamper footprint, and it replaces the stock mattress. It actually takes up a lot less room as far as the width of it, so I know that my iKamper is gonna close a lot easier versus the thickness of these mattress pads. And I'll go ahead and inflate this on another video, since we're not going to be sleeping on this tonight. I don't want to really inflate this and have to deflate this as well. We'll save that for another video. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. This is a great alternative to replace your mattress on your iKamper. I can't wait to take this out on an adventure so that we can actually sleep on it and give you guys a thorough review on it. But so far, it fits like a glove. It already takes up a lot less space. I can't wait to be able to fit my pillows in here as well, and so that I can have more room in my vehicle. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys liked the video, make sure you guys hit subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next adventure.